Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about 30mm wheel spaces safe for off-road. Let's go. The learning design can expand the side which can heat dissipation contact area, so that it can contact more external cold air, enhance the heat dissipation effect, and reduce the internal strength of machining, besides upgrading the performance, strength, and durability of the wheel spaces. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the spaces, and make the spaces become safer, higher performance, and have a better installation experience. This is the reason why BONOSS insists on independent manufacturing and continuously optimization of a design. In addition to practical functions, there is a sense of art. You can remove and install it more easily through these grooves, avoid the wear of the wheel hub assembly, and improve the work efficiency. Welcome to subscribe our new channel, BONOSS Wheel Fitment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.